Right, this is this is a guidance on how to answer tutorial question 1.3 question A. So a sample of 1.55 gram of iron ore. So ore means the crude sample. So that means this is the mass of impure sample. Mass of impure sample. That means it consists impurity, not just iron. Consists of other element or other substances as well. Dissolved in an acid solution, so it is in acidic medium, right, in which the iron is converted into iron 2+. The solution form is then titrated with potassium dichromate, which oxidizes Fe2+ and Fe3+, while dichromate ions are reduced to Cr3+ ions. Okay, so this is given the volume of potassium dichromate and also its molarity reach the equivalent point. So write the balance equation. So the balance equation here, you must write the balance equation for redox equation. Okay, and then calculate the percentage of iron in the sample. Okay, so for question A, okay, I'll let you do and I'll just give the final answer for you. Okay, I know everyone can do this. I want to repeat one question. Okay, so you should get 6 Fe2+ equals plus dichromate iron 1 mole plus 14 plus equals produces 6 Fe3+ equals plus 2 chromium 3+ equals plus 7 H2O liquid. Okay, so when you write, this is the final answer for balancing equation. That means this is the overall equation. So please make sure you put in the state. Okay, all the ions are in aqueous state, meanwhile for the water is liquid state. Okay, next for question B, calculate the percentage of iron. So that means you have to calculate percentage purity. So what is the formula of percentage purity? It is mass of pure iron over mass of impure iron times 100. So now in the question already given the mass of impure iron. So now you need to find out the mass of pure iron. Okay, how? Okay, by doing stoichiometry. So now the information is given regarding the potassium dichromate. So first you can calculate the mole for potassium dichromate. Okay, equal to mv over 1000. Molarity is 0.020 times by its volume 92.95 over 1000. Okay. (1.859) 10 to the power of -3 mole. So now you need to, this is the number of mole of potassium dichromate. Okay, but in the balance equation is dichromate ion. So that means you need to determine the number of mole of dichromate ion first before comparing with ferro iron 2+. Okay, so now in 1 mole of potassium dichromate, how many moles of dichromate ions are there? This is the dichromate ion. So this is just 1 mole of dichromate ion. So that's mean 1 mole, we must write down this statement. 1 mole of K2Cl2O7 contains mengandungi 1 mole of dichromate ions. But therefore, number of moles of potassium dichromate is equal to the number of mole of dichromate ions, which is equal to 1.859 times 10 to the power of -3 mole. So now you have find out the number of mole of dichromate ion. So you can do stoichiometry with iron 2+. So based on the balance equation, 1 mole of dichromate ion react with 6 mole of iron 2+. So if we have 1.859 then 10 to the power of negative 3 mole of bicarbonate ion. Okay, it will react with 0.0112 mole of iron 2 plus. Right, so now we want to calculate the mass of iron, not iron 2 plus. So you need to determine the mole of iron first, right? So one block. Mole of iron 2 plus equal to mole of iron, which is 0.0112 mole. So now we have already determined the number of mole of iron, okay, because the ratio is 1 to 1. Okay, so how many mole of iron 2 plus is there in the reaction is equal to number of mole of iron. Okay, so now we have already got the number of mole of iron. Now we have to determine its mass lah. So mass of pure iron equal to mole of iron times by its molar mass. So now mass of pure iron equal to number of mole 0.122 mole. Its molar mass is 55.85 gram. Is it? Okay, so 0.626 gram. Okay, so now you can calculate the percentage purity. Equal to mass of pure iron of mass of impure iron times 100. 0.626 gram over 1.55 gram times 100. So you will get 40.39. Okay, 40.39%. Simple. Okay.